This is a 2008 Subaru. I have a headlight that's out on the right hand side here. A really quick video here just on how to change that. Pretty easy. On the right side, all it's got is this air intake, so I'm just going to remove the air intake, pull the little pin there, and as you can see down in here on the Subarus, they have these caps that go over. This is just the regular standard light here, but then for the driving light, which is, you can see here, the one's just the standard daylight running light, and then this is the fisheye regular light here. So we're gonna take this cap here and you just unscrew it. So we just give it a twist and then it unlocks it. So we just twist it, unlock it, and then that comes off, and then we can access the light here. And this light, some of them have retaining clips. This particular model and setup, you just twist the light and then the light comes out like that. Undo the clip and put a new light in there and put it together. When you're putting the new light in, make sure that you do not touch the glass on the bulb. So on the back here is a clip. We're just going to push that clip in and pull the old bulb out. On the new bulb here, I just got this one down at the local auto parts store. And again, we do not want to touch the glass on this new bulb. The oils, the skin in your oil from your skin will cause it to burn out. So I'm just going to use a clean cloth here to make sure I don't touch it. So you just put that in there. I'm going to attach the clip back on there, and this clips back into place like this, and then we're going to just set this right back into place and twist it. So we'll go like that, and then it just twists right back into place and locks right back into place there, and there we go, little click, and then we'll reinstall the cover. And again, that just twists right back into place. Get that thing to lock so it's watertight, and then we can replace the air cover. Thanks for watching.